what we want to check on today is quite a different topic. But this video really goes to absolute beginners, for those who want to start off with Android development. And one of the things I would advise you is um, just focus on the priorities, and I'm going to be giving you the priorities today when you're starting out there, and for you to be able to at least take the shortest time to learn and get job easily. Because I know everyone is writing code, either they want to develop their own company, or they want to shift their careers, or they want to refresh their skills. So this video will go to each and everyone who is either writing or starting to write, or is planning to write. So step one, so we'll go step by step. So step one is learn the basics. That is one of the biggest steps where we fail, because we don't get the basics. For example, if you want to learn like React Native, you will have to understand some sort of JavaScript. You will need to understand you will need to learn about data structures in JavaScript. You also need to learn how you can write a class, how you can write a function, differences between functional and class components. Those are the stuff which you will start with. Those are the most crucial basics you might need to learn when you're starting off. So step two will now go into more or less like starting off the journey. For example, you might need to watch a tutorial like the ones which we release on a weekly basis, and also get to learn new tricks. You can go to websites like like Udemy. We also have Udacity, we have Coursera. Those are websites which can give you some insights on how you can get started. And YouTube provides some massive and immersive tutorials in React Native. So you can also try it out. I would really love to pay for a course if I can get the contents for free. So you can try out YouTube, and for a channel you don't even need to try. We'll be producing videos which will get you from the start up to an expert level. So after that, get communities and join them. Communities, the reason why I'm talking about communities, whether Discord, whether LinkedIn, whether you're going to Facebook groups, is because you will meet people with similar challenges. You will meet people who have written code for some time. So you getting help will be an easy thing. So you just request for some help, and then someone comes in and helps you. And one of the biggest communities I love is Reddit. Reddit has some good communities where you can join and get started. Also, this step now will go more on when you start now writing code and getting to understand. Now it's building real world applications, and one of the purposes I usually do mostly is writing clones. For example, you can get a big clone and then write it by yourself. You don't even need to get some guidance once you have the basics. You just sit down and then do all those components by your own. And then after that, now we'll be searching for jobs. Once you build your portfolio, apply for some jobs. Once you get some job, you get new challenges. You'll find companies giving you different challenges which you have to work with. And then lastly, join our channel, subscribe to our channel, like, and also get your notifications on, because we will be doing more technical videos, and we'll mix them with also advices like the one we're doing now. And also we are starting our bootcamp. Yes, our bootcamp is starting this week. where I already did an introduction to this bootcamp, where you will see which topics you're going to be learning. So don't fail to subscribe, and don't just forget to put your notification bell on, because this is going to give you a detailed overview. Within 12 weeks you will literally start from zero to um, yourself getting to understand React Native really well. Thank you. See you in the next video.